Lei Chun Hei, Class U58, Group 24. The Cod, Lord Alfred Douglas. There's something very strange and odd about the habits of the cod. For when you're swimming in the sea, he sometimes bites you on the knee. And though his bites are not past healing, it is a most unpleasant feeling. And when you're diving down below, he often nips you on the toe. And though he doesn't hurt you much, he has a disagreeable touch. There's one thing to be said for him. It is a treat to see him swim. But though he swims in graceful curves, but he rather gets upon your nerves.